The Oval Stadium in London is associated with which sport? Cricket. I ate a fresh dash for breakfast. Pear. Which of the below wars was fought from 1853 to 1856? Crimean War. What is the arithmetic mean of the first 100 natural numbers? $50.5. Which one of the below is an example of monocot seed? Rice. Which of the below diseases affects the eyes? Glaucoma. The package comes a dash set of instructions dash multiple languages. With in. From which country the United States purchased Alaska? Russia. What is the Young's modulus of a perfectly rigid body? Infinity. The tiny pores present on the epidermis of leaves that controls the rate of gas exchange are called stomata. Which one of the below sequences is an arithmetic progression? Two, 5, 8, 11, 14. Not only did she sing beautifully, but she also dashed well. Danced. Micronesia consists of several groups of islands in which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Who invented the stethoscope? René Laennec. The leaf that does not have a petiole and is directly attached to the plant stem is called sessile leaf. The short-sightedness of the eye is called myopia. The dash of the theory was explained in detail. Principle. Greenland is an island country part of the Kingdom of Denmark. Which plant hormone causes the closure of stomata? Abscisic acid. Which was Microsoft's first product? Altair Basic. Which is the purest form of gold? 24 carat. The lecture was delivered dash a renowned professor dash the university. By at. How many ice sheets are there in the world? 2. What is the name of the first computer virus? Creeper. 1 parsec is approximately equal to dash light years. 3.26. In which year did the Great Fire of London take place? (1666). We had a great time. Didn't we? Which is the tallest mountain when measured from base to peak? Mauna Kea. Which animal has the largest brain in the world? Sperm whale. Which was the first satellite to carry scientific instruments into space? Explorer 1. Who was the wife of Adolf Hitler? Eva Braun. Courage is a dash that inspires many people. Quality. A small type of bay is called cove. How many atoms per unit cell are there in a face-centered cubic? Four. Halley's comet is visible from Earth every dash. (75 to 76 years). Who among the below was an Italian dictator? Benito Mussolini. Which word contains a silent letter? Hour. Which geologist first developed the concepts of pediplane and pediplanation? Lester Charles King. Who invented the vacuum flask? James Dewar. A dying star that is in the final stages of stellar evolution is called red giant. Dash president of the company announced dash new policy to improve dash workplace environment. The Which supercontinent was surrounded by the superocean Panthalassa? Pangaea. The American Civil War began in which year? (1861). Which term describes a state in which no individual can be made better off without making someone else worse off? Pareto efficiency. What is the dielectric constant of vacuum? One. Deimos and Phobos are the moons of which planet? Mars. Which one of the below shows all possible logical relations between a finite collection of different sets? Venn diagram. Which civilization flourished in ancient Peru? Inca civilization. What is the main component of natural gas? Methane. Which is the correct relationship between frequency and angular frequency? Omega equals to 2 pi f.